Dandelion. The name might conjure images of pesky weeds invading your perfectly manicured lawn. But did you know this ubiquitous plant, particularly its root, harbors a wealth of health benefits? Revered for centuries in traditional medicine systems around the world, dandelion root is making a triumphant return as a natural health powerhouse. From the rolling hills of Ireland to the ancient Chinese apothecaries, dandelion root has a long and storied past. For generations, it was a staple in traditional medicine, used to treat everything from digestive issues to liver complaints. In ancient Greece, physicians like Dioscorides prescribed dandelion for its potent diuretic properties. Fast forward to today, and modern science is catching up with what our ancestors knew all along. Dandelion root is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a valuable ally in our quest for optimal health and vitality. So the next time you encounter a dandelion, don't reach for the weed killer just yet. Dandelion root is a treasure trove of beneficial compounds. One of its key components is inulin, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion, immunity, and even mental well-being. Another powerful compound found in dandelion root is tarexacin. This bitter principle stimulates digestive juices, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. Dandelion root is also a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. And let's not forget the antioxidants. Dandelion root is brimming with these free radical scavengers, including beta-carotene, which protect your cells from damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. With its impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder dandelion root is gaining recognition as a potent natural remedy. From digestive distress to liver support, dandelion root offers a natural approach to address a variety of health concerns. Its diuretic properties make it a traditional remedy for bloating and water retention. By flushing out excess water and sodium, dandelion root can help alleviate that uncomfortable feeling of fullness. The liver, our body's primary detoxification organ, can also benefit from dandelion root's support. Studies suggest that compounds in dandelion root may help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and promote healthy liver function. Additionally, dandelion root's anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe inflammation throughout the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis and skin issues. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that dandelion root may even play a role in regulating blood sugar levels and supporting healthy cholesterol. Deliciously healthy, easy recipes featuring dandelion root. Ready to experience the benefits of dandelion root firsthand? Incorporating it into your diet is easier than you might think. Dandelion root can be enjoyed in various ways, from a simple tea to a hearty soup. Recipe 1. Dandelion root tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon dried dandelion root, 1 cup water. Instructions: combine dandelion root and water in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Recipe 2. Roasted dandelion root coffee. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped dandelion root. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread dandelion root on a baking sheet and roast for 20 to 30 minutes or until brown and fragrant. Grind the roasted root into a powder. To brew, use 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup of hot water. These are just a couple of simple recipes to get you started. Experiment with dandelion root in your kitchen and discover new favorites. Dandelion root, not always a sunny disposition. While generally safe for most people, dandelion root is not without its caveats. It's essential to be aware of potential contraindications and exercise caution, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Individuals with allergies to plants in the Asteraceae family, which includes ragweed, marigolds, and chamomile, should avoid dandelion root as it may trigger allergic reactions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also consult their healthcare provider before using dandelion root. Furthermore, dandelion root's diuretic effects can interact with certain medications, such as diuretics and lithium. It's always best to err on the side of caution and seek personalized advice from your healthcare provider before adding dandelion root to your wellness routine.